In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front corner light socket in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. It's a little cover right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get behind here, pop that cover off. Now you can take a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up this screw. Grab the lamp, pull it out, and grab the socket and just twist it to the right, and it slides right out. You can pull the bulb out, just twist, push down the bulb, twist to the left, and that slides out. Now you can disconnect the connector right here. There's a little slot here where you can put a straight blade screwdriver, just fold it back slightly, and then pull the socket off. And the socket comes right out. Take the socket, connect the connector, lock it down, and you can take the bulb. This is a 1157A amber bulb. Just line the bulb up, push it down, and twist it to the right. And take the lamp, slide it in place, and twist to the right. Now you can reinstall the lamp. Tighten the screw down, snug it down. Take this cover, line it up. And lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.